In this video, I will show you how to set Spotify song as ringtone. So before we start, make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm gonna show you step by step. And keep in mind that this works on both Android and iOS devices. So the first step is to simply choose the song that you want to add as the ringtone, and then you're gonna have to screen record the part that you want to use it. Now keep in mind that for ringtones, you can use only 30 seconds of a song. So you're gonna have to simply screen record. Now, if you're using an iPhone like I do, you're gonna have the screen recording app on your control center, so you don't have to install any other apps. But if you're using an Android, you should find free screen recording apps. Now, as you can see here, I have the song, which is 25 seconds long because uh, 30 seconds is the maximum that you can use. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply convert this. Now, what you're gonna have to do is simply open any browser and search convert video to M4A. Then simply click on this link, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on choose files. Then from device, and then simply tap on photo library and then simply select the video. Then tap on add and then simply tap convert. Then after this loads up, simply download this to your device. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply install GarageBand on your device. So simply install GarageBand, which is completely free, and then simply open it. Now you should see something similar to this. So let me go back here. So you should see something similar to this when you open GarageBand. So simply tap on keyboard, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply disable this option. You should see something like this. So disable this, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on this button. Now here, so as you can see, I already have my song added, so I'm gonna delete this. So you should see something similar to this. Now after that, you're gonna have to simply tap on the plus button in the corner, and then here you're gonna have to tap on section A. Now disable this option, and then here you're gonna have to increase it to 30. Basically these are the seconds, and after that simply tap on done. And what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on the loop icon and then simply select files and then tap on browse items from the files app. Now here you're gonna have to simply select your song, so the file that you just downloaded from that converter website. After that, you're gonna have to simply tap on it, and then you're gonna see it right here. It's gonna take like 5 seconds to load up. Now simply tap and hold on it, and then you're gonna have to simply add it here. Now here we have the song, so I can't play it because of copyright rights, so I'm not gonna play it. But if you want, you can simply tap on it and you can basically resize it. Now after you have the song here, what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on this button, then tap on my songs, and then you're gonna have to simply wait. So you're gonna have here the song. Simply tap on it and hold, and then scroll down and tap on share. And then you're gonna have to simply tap on ringtone, and then here you're gonna have to simply rename it. So I'm gonna rename it like this. So let's say the song name, and then simply tap on export. And then you're gonna have to simply wait until this finishes. So it's gonna take a while, and then simply tap on OK. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back to your settings and then simply scroll down to sounds and haptics, and then here you have ringtone. Simply tap on that, and then here you're gonna see the song that we just added. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.